Hey there, Sean Bailey. Welcome to this video today where we're going to talk about Vimeo videos and how to put them into your funnel, how to use Vimeo videos to your advantage when it comes to your stuff and selling stuff online. So, before we get too hard into it here, I need you to click some buttons on this page here. Click on like, subscribe, notify if you want to get notified whenever I put out new videos. And don't be afraid to share this video around with your friends here. I thank you in advance. It really helps me out with YouTube. All right, so here we are over in Vimeo. And the nice thing is that when it comes to all your videos, you can go and organize them into folders here. You can see I've got a bunch organized over onto the side here. Now, when it comes to Vimeo videos, there's a couple different types of videos. So if I go and upload a video, and I've got a folder here that I call public. So what'll happen is this video, it's kind of like when you put a video on YouTube. People can see this video, they can search it out, they can find it and watch it on Vimeo. So if you're doing a video where it's some type of content, something in your free course, you're not going to want to have this video be public. So the nice thing is that all you have to do is to go and change it is just click on where it says more actions and then click on to embed. And now I can go in and start messing around with the settings here. So to kind of start from the top here where it says general, so I click on that one and then I scroll down here and now I can choose where I want this, right? I can say if I want this to be private, if I want a password on this video, only I can see this video, it's a public video, or do I want to hide this video from Vimeo. So that's like kind of like setting it to unlisted on YouTube, right? I can also set up where this video can be embedded, right? So if somebody can go and embed my video onto their website, that type of thing. I can turn off comments. I can also set up whether or not people can download this video or add my video to a collection, right? So the cool thing is that you can also set up different channels to keep your videos organized as well. But that's how you go and kind of set up the initial privacy settings on here. When I click onto embed, this is where it gets interesting because let's say it's a video and it's a VSL. It's one of the, you don't want any controls. You don't want this play bar on the bottom. You don't want people to be able to stop the video and go back and rewind it or skip to the end or do any of that kind of stuff. So here is where you can go in and change the settings on this type of video here. So I'm going to upload a video and we can play around with some of the settings here. Okay, so my video is uploaded, just a test VSL video that I've set up here. But because this is a VSL, I don't want people to be able to hit play or pause. I don't want them to be able to skip around to the end or do any of that type of stuff. So if I click onto, advanced, and now I'm back over into the settings for this. So here I can go over to, I click onto embed on the side here, and here's where I can start messing around and changing things. So the cool thing is that I can go in and I can turn off the play bar. So now all it is just a play button in the middle. I can turn off the full screen aspect if I want. Usually I leave that alone. And then I can go in and turn off different things like, watch later, share, embed, turn those controls off. And then we can go to the details here. So the details refer to what's kind of up in this top corner here. So instead of let users decide, I turn off the profile picture, the title, and the byline because I just want this to be a plain VSL video that's going to be in the screen, playing on my funnel video sales letter page, and set up so that it's all it is just the video and this play button, right? Like they can hit play and watch the VSL. They can pause it if they hit the button again, but they can't skip to the end or do any of that other kind of stuff. So that's how I typically set these things up for a VSL. Now, if it's something where maybe it's a replay of something and you want people to be able to skip ahead, or it's some type of educational content inside your membership site or something like that, then we can go in and turn on these controls, right? We can have the play bar, we can have the speed controls, we can have the volume and add those types of elements in, right? Once it's done and set up how I want it, I just hit save. And once I do that, then it's set. And the nice thing is that when you're inside ClickFunnels, inside the video element, all you have to do is just paste in this link here. All I have to do is just basically go here, copy this link, and then go over to ClickFunnels. And inside the video element, it will say, YouTube, Wistia, Vimeo. All you have to do is select Vimeo, paste in this link, and boom, your video is going to be embedded inside your ClickFunnels page or whatever page that you want it on as far as having your VSL. Now, the nice thing is that you can go in and set up presets. So the presets, if we open this up in a new tab here, you can see I've got different presets. So I've got my content preset. So that's where I'm going to have the play button. I'm going to have the scroll bar. I'm going to have all the controls and whatnot because it's a piece of content, right? My VSL preset is the one that we just saw, where it's not going to have any of the controls. All it's going to have is the play button so that people can watch the VSL and just use it or just watch it just as it is as a VSL there. So that's it. That's how easy it is when it comes to using videos, creating videos in Vimeo and setting up the presets how you want. I recommend going in and setting up your own presets. Like I say, go with either content or VSL, and make sure when you put a video on there that if you don't want it to be viewed on Vimeo, that you go in and say that you want to go into general here, scroll down and say hide from Vimeo, right? Because it's not a public video. So if you go here and we hide this from Vimeo, when you hit save, this video will be removed from all channels and groups, and any credits you've added will be removed, right? So for this one, I'm just going to leave this to, I'm going to set this one to public for now here and just kind of leave it as it was, because this is just a test video here. I'm probably just going to delete this one once we're done. But once you're set up all these things however you want them, don't forget to hit save down at the bottom here, and then you're pretty much set. So that's it. That's about all you have to do when it comes to managing your Vimeo videos. I'm a really big fan of these as far as VSL type videos. When I first started out, I used YouTube videos, but Vimeo is just way better when it comes to the VSL aspect. So if you want to set up good VSLs in your funnels, I recommend Vimeo, and it's super easy to use. Don't forget to set up your presets. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.